cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I died today. If I can go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight that I play, that's my fucking way, ho. Y'all can sit back and think you were the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit gon' be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma let this shit yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. The facts. Yeah. I don't even know what else to say.